Good day, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Maureen, and I'm a mother of two wonderful children as well as the owner of a beauty and skincare business. In this video, I'll be reviewing the original makeup eraser, which removes all makeup, including waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more, with only water. If you are a makeup lover who consumes so many makeup remover wipes and still feels like you are running out of them too quickly, some of them burn your eyes, and they are too costly to purchase over and over again. The original makeup eraser is worth looking into. Use just water to remove all makeup. Makeup eraser is made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers that stand straight up and work together to suction all makeup, dirt, and oil out of each individual pore when wet. Bath towels are typically woven in an absorbent loop or pile, and general microfiber cloths are made from a blend of polyester, polyamide, and polypropylene that can be abrasive to the skin. How to use. Wash, machine wash hot and dry your towel load, fabric softener and dryer sheet safe. Wet, soak in warm water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. Use in sections, wash 1 to 2 times per week. Erase, use the short fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motions. Exfoliate, flip the long fiber side with the tag, to exfoliate. Continue in gentle circular motions. 8 game-changing advantages. 1. It's high-end and proprietary. 2. It's chemical-free. 3. Less waste. 4. Reusable. 5. It is machine washable. 6. Great for sensitive skin. 7. Exfoliator for the face and lips. 8. Save money. The initial makeup eraser appeals to me because it is reusable, making it both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. I really like that it doubles as an exfoliator, making it a 2-in-1 makeup remover and exfoliator. Simply soak in warm water to experience the magic. The biggest issue I have with the original makeup remover is that I have to wet it before using it, and I have to dry it every time I use it, even though I am not washing it. How far does it set you back? The original makeup eraser costs $20, which is a bargain for a 2-in-1 makeup remover and exfoliator that will last for years. In conclusion, the original makeup eraser aids in the following areas. 1. To minimize the use of wipes, which would have a lower environmental impact and save money. 2. The skin would be healthier because it removes makeup more effectively and only requires the use of water. It also exfoliates the skin well, making it ideal for sensitive skin that finds most facial cleansers too harsh. 3. It is long-lasting. It also looks and works as new after being used for over 6 months and cleaned. 4. It's very big, so you can use it for about a week before washing it, by using different sections of it each time you wash your face. It looks great when you're wearing light makeup for everyday or heavy makeup for special occasions. I will strongly suggest. So, if you love makeup and need a good makeup eraser that is both affordable and environmentally friendly, check out the original makeup eraser by clicking the link in the description below. Please be aware that if you purchase anything through our connection, we will receive a small commission. It has no effect on the price, but it does help to support the work we do here. So, if this video was helpful to you and you'd like to repay the favor, this is a perfect way to do so, and we greatly appreciate it. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.